Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon below for notifications on the menu today. And as you can see here, we're going to do cumin potatoes with a tomato sauce. Absolutely wonderful. This is very, very easy. Very few ingredients, but delicious. Vegetarian, healthy, and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today for this very simple cumin tomato potato dish. So I've got some potatoes there. I've got like 3 regular sized potatoes that I've washed, peeled, and as you can see, cut them into sort of that kind of size pieces, bite-sized pieces. Here I've got 1 can of tomatoes. I've got 1 regular white onion. Here I've got 135 grams of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of some flaked dried chili. You could be using chili powder or cayenne pepper if you want, and then 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil. It is very, very simple. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, here we are. I've got a pan here, got some olive oil in there. You could be using a sunflower or something like that if you wanted. Simply, we're going to get our potatoes and drop them in. And on an above medium heat, we're just going to fry these potatoes around for about 5 minutes, get a bit of colour on them. If you wanted, you could use parboiled potatoes to speed the process. These are raw. 5 minutes, keep it moving. So as you can see, we're getting some nice colour on here, and these potatoes are certainly on their way. We're now going to add in those cumin seeds, some salt, and some black pepper. Absolutely wonderful this is going to be. Then we're going to go with our onion. I'm using a white onion, you could be using red if you want. And our garlic, chopped garlic. The chili flakes or cayenne pepper or chili powder. And then we're going to go for about another 2 minutes on this kind of fairly lively heat, stirring pretty much all the time. Okay, I've just turned the heat down, not to a simmer, it's above the simmer. We're now going to add in the cumin powder, that 1 can of tomatoes, the tomato paste, give that a mix. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of cold water. Maybe, half a cup there only. Now we'll keep it on this lowish heat. Like I say, it's above a simmer. It's not a simmer, just above a simmer. We're going to pop a lid on this. And depending on how big you've cut your potatoes, what we're looking for now is our potatoes to be nice and tender. So we're going to cook this fairly low and slow. For me, this is going to be about 7 to 8 minutes. We're going to give it a stir every now and then, and this is pretty much done. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, stir it every now and then, lid on. See you in about 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Let the steam out. Let's turn that heat off. We've got a really nice rich tomato sauce here. The potatoes are cooked just how I like them. They're just starting to soften a little bit. Check that for salt. What I'm going to do now is add a little bit of, well, not a little bit actually, quite a lot of cilantro or fresh coriander in the mix, which I love. We're going to give that a mix. And there we've got a lovely, simple, I told you it was really easy, potato tomato stew with cumin. Vegetarian and vegan. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love to you.